Guys, in this video we are going to learn about operators. In previous video on PHP we learned about the variables and data types. So in this series we are going to learn about operators. So let's first talk about the arithmetic operators. Okay? So what are the arithmetic operators? So in maths, whenever you calculate plus, minus, multiply, divide, so any mathematic operators use. What are the operators? I know in maths you know that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modules, modular operator, which is percentage. So these all are called arithmetic operators. So I have two variables. First one is a, variable a, which value is 10, and second variable is b, which value is 4. Okay. So first let's try arithmetic operation, which is addition. So result is equal to result underscore add. So there is a rule in variables which I didn't tell you in previous video. I'm sorry. If you will add a space in a variable, like here I'm adding a space, so you will get an error. In place of adding a space, you can do which you can use underscore. It is fine, but you can't use space in your variable name. Okay. So result as add is equal to $add $a plus $b. So what it will do? It will add your $a value with $b value. So what is in our $a? $a value is 10, $b is value is 4. So what it will be? It will be 14. So let's see it is working or not. So it will not actually print the value because you didn't use echo. So we are going to use echo $result add. So what is result add is our variable, and what are the value in result add? A plus b is equal to result value. I mean, what is it? What is whatever the addition of a and b is in the result add. So we are going to print result add. So what you will get? You will get 14. Obviously, here you will get 14. So how simple it was, I know. So now let's do subtractions. So you know subtraction, everyone know. So result add is result subtract is equal to a minus b. So what is a minus b? 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, obviously, and you will get echo $result subtract. And here what you will get 6, and whatever is we are getting, and zoom for you. Okay. So now let's comment out, and result multiply, okay, is equal to a into b. So 10 into 4 is equal to 40, obviously. And now what you will do? You will echo result multiply, and you will get 40, obviously. So now I hope you know what is arithmetic operators: multiply, divide, addition, I mean, you know what is arithmetic operators. Here you will also do echo $result divide, and if you will divide a with 4, you will get 2.4. I don't know actually as much. I mean, math. I'm talking about mathematics, not about coding. Okay. What is this modular operator? Reminder. It will give you a reminder, whatever your reminder will be. So echo $result module, and you will get 2. So why we will get 2? Because here in division you get 2.5, but in remainder you will get 2. Won't get any decimal. So I hope now you understand what is arithmetic operators. Now let's go to assignment operators. What are the assignment operators? Give it. So here our a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 4. Same. First let's comment it from all the comments. So what is this? A is equal to 10, b is equal to 4. What we are doing? A plus is equal to b. So can you guess what is it? a plus is equal to b dollar b. So let's do first comment out all, and now let's echo dollar a. We are getting 14. Can anyone tell me why we are getting 14? Dollar a value is basically 10, but we are getting 14. So what happened actually? Our dollar v value is 4, and what is means plus is equal to means we have to add, and what we have to add? We have to add b in our a. So whatever is the value of b, that will be added in a. So our a value is 10 and b value is 4. So obviously 10 plus 4 is equal to 14, and we are getting 14. So this is the simple code. I hope you got it. Okay, let's copy it and comment. Now let's move here. Now let's b. So what it means, a b minus is equal to 2. So whatever the value of b, that will be minus with our b. So we will get here 2. Why? Because 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, obviously. And let's move it here, and it is into is equal to b. So can you tell me what is the value of a right now? Into, I mean, you have to multiply with what? 2, and with a. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20, obviously. You know this. Now you are becoming pro in coding. So remember me. Don't forget me after becoming Elon Musk. Okay. So right, let's here do. Now can you tell me the value of b? Here we are dividing our b with b. B with 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 2, obviously. Not a big mathematics calculations. And I actually don't know. I think what will be the value of a. So percentage, I think it would be, if you will divide 10 with 3, so you will get maybe 1, no 4, and remainder would be 4. Why? Okay, now I understand. Let's use, I'm using b actually. I have to use a. Oh, 1. Yeah. How can I doubt on my maths? My maths is very good actually. I knew it. If you will divide 3 with 10, so 3 3s are 9, and you will get 1 remainder. I was actually dividing it with b, but I had to divide with a. So my mathematics is very good. How can anyone doubt with my math? It's good. So let's leave it. I'm thirsty right now. So let's also comment this. Here it is comparison operator. What is comparison operator? So whenever we compare with Sarma ji ka beta and someone beta, like his son is doing very great and you are doing nothing, you are nitalla at home. Okay, I hope you are getting my points. That your parents say that see other child, they are performing very well, and what you are doing at home, leave my home. nothing. Okay, so again our a value is 10 and b value is 4. So we are going to compare. Okay. So it is, what is saying, result equal, so is equal to dollar a is equals to b. So it is asking actually, in dollar there is a variable which is result equal, and we are storing in this that dollar a is equals to b. So what it means? It means you are doing, how can I say, like you are actually comparing that actually a is equal to b or not. If it is equals to b, then the value in your result equal variable will be true, but if it's not equal, then it will be false. So can you tell me that a equals to b, is it right? I mean 10 equals to 4, is it right? Obviously not right. So we will get false. Let's print out echo and dollar result equal, and you will get what? False. Why we are not getting actually false? Result equal, hey, text dot 5. We are doing actually echo Is there anything wrong? Let's try dot will be ADA. Actually we are getting this, but why our value is not stored here? A is equals to B plus B. Hey, is something error here? Result equals to let me again check this. I have to check this. What happened with this? Let's ask ChatGPT. Actually, it's a long time when I practice PHP and I'm directly teaching you ChatGPT PHP. I'm used to chat so much. Here is our ChatGPT, and let's ask ChatGPT why we are not getting any result, and we will say any word result equals A is equal to 2. When you echo result equal random result equal, let's try this. Okay, I forgot you have to use var export. Okay. Now you will get false actually, and what we have done here, remove here. So var export is a function, inbuilt PHP function, which will tell you true or false. And why we are using this true? Let's understand from ChatGPT. So what we are saying here is, in your code, variable result equal is assigned as a result of comparison, which take if A is equal to B, given initial value, then the expression is equal to A is equal to B equate functions equal to false, because 10 is not equals to 4. Therefore result equal will contain boolean value false. When you echo result equal, the output will be 0 on the screen. In PHP, boolean false gets compared to the empty string or 0. Oh, I see. Okay, let's try this. If this echo var dump, and we will write here, okay, boolean false, we are getting the false. So to get your false and true, you have to write boolean actually, and you can use here var dump to get your result, that is true or false. How can I forget this? Because it's a long time when I practiced PHP. What is the full form of PHP? Your preprocessor, something like this. Now let's understand different thing, which is not equals to. Let's comment it, and here we'll uncomment this, and what it is saying, result not equals to A is not equals to B. So A is not equals to B. So can you tell me, is A is not equals to B? I mean, is 10 is not equals to 4? Yes, 10 is not equals to 4. So we will get true, and for that we will echo var dump, and we will write result not equals to, and we will get true. Obviously it is true, so we will get true, and we are getting true. Now you understand what is not, and remember, this is not in PHP. This is denoted as not in PHP, and in many programming languages, not in only PHP. So let's end this. Result identical. It is $A is not equals to 10. So what is triple equals to? We understand equals to, it means to assign anything. We'll use double equals to compare anything. but we use triple equals to compare along with the your data types. So here a data type is 10, which is number, but here we are comparing with string. These are different. So you will say that yes, 10 equals to 10, it will false, but it won't be false. And what is the reason? Let me tell you. Echo random, and if I'll write result identical, you will get false. See, you are getting false, but you will tell me that here is a is equal to 10, here is also a equals 10, we are comparing, and it should be right. But why it should not be not right? Because it is number. It's when I'll write echo random, sorry, random, and if I'll write 10 a, you will get here integer 10. So 10 is here integer. Okay, let's do one thing. Dot here br. See, here it is string. I'm sorry, now it became a string because integer. Now again what I can do, echo. Now see, here I'll also do what, this is string. Okay, and why it is string, let me tell you. I'll make a variable is string, and is the string I'll store 10, and I'll print it echo where dump dollar is string and c. Okay, I have to do this again. Here I'll take this and also use here. So see, here your echo dump where dump a, I mean your a data type is integer. Meanwhile your is string, which is 10, here you are getting is string, so you are getting string 10. It is integer, it is string. You can't compare integer with the string. Okay, you can compare length, but you can't compare the values with the string and between the string and integer. So I hope now you understand why it is false. So I'll remove this. Now you got the thing, and you can't compare it with, because it is false. So you understand the identical operators. I have to comment this. Not identical, it's same. Not identical. Let's understand this, not identical. So it's simple. It is saying that result not identical is equal to a is not equals to 10. So it's true, because a is actually integer 10, and here we are comparing with string 10. So they both are not equal, because integer is not equals to string. And whenever we print this echo and random and result not identical, we will get obviously true here, and we are getting this true. Where I have left this, I have to remove this random, and here we got true. Simple. I hope you now understand. So let's also comment it. Now we'll compare greater than, less than. Okay, so we are comparing a is equals to a is greater than b. So is a greater than b? Like the value of a is 10 and 4 b value. So is 10 is greater than 4? Yes, 10 is greater than 4. Let's echo random result greater than, and we will get true. Yes, we are getting this true. Here you can see. Now let's compare this. Here less than, result less than. So here you are saying that a is greater than b. Oh, actually a is less than b, because this is greater symbol and this is less symbol. So a is less than b, it means your 10 is less than 4, but 10 is greater than 4, not less than. So we will get false here. We are getting bool false. It's simple. So greater than equals to, what it means, greater than equals to. So here we are comparing either greater than or equals to. Any condition is equal. if any condition match, that let's understand with example. Okay, echo $var_dump, sorry, $var_dump, I don't know why I always say $var_dump, result greater than equals to. It means a is either greater than b or equals to b. If any condition match within both of them, then your result will be true, either you will get false. So here you are getting true because a is greater than b, 10 is greater than 4. But what if we will write a is greater than place of b4, a is greater than 11. So 10 is not greater than 11, so false. But 10 is equals to 10, so you will get true. Okay, so 10 is equals to 10. Here equals to condition is matching. Okay, I hope you understand the thing. Now less than, you understand, you will get what will get in less than. So result less than, and what you will get false. Why false? Because a is less than equals to b. So a is neither less than neither equals to. Why? Sorry, I had to say nor or neither. I don't focus on any grammar English. Okay, don't mind. So here a is not less than b and also not equals to b, because a can't be 10. I mean 10 can't be less than b, 4 and equals to 4. So you will get false here. You understand? Now let's come on here, true false. So you already know what is true false. Let me understand this. A is equal to true, b is equals to false. So here what is saying that $a and $b. So result and so what it means? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what it means? Here what? Result or a or b, and it means a is true or false. Actually what you will get here, can you tell me? A is true, b is false, and where we are getting a and actually I don't think I can explain you right now, because it is going to be very complicated for you. In future we will do projects with MySQL and database, then I can make you understand easily, but now it will be complicated because okay, I am giving you some example, you can try to understand, but if you are not understanding, then forget about it. Don't think you can't do it, you can do it. So I'll write if is also conditional expression. In next video I will tell you what is conditional statements. Okay, so if a, and here I'll write it is conditional statement, right? Note it. Don't think that you can't do it. I'll tell you in next video. Be positive. So I'll tell if a, what it means. If a is equal to true, it simply means if a is true. So I'll write echo a is true, and I'll get on line number 140 we are getting error. If a, PHP the syntax is I think same. Let's understand why we are getting error. Getting error, tell me. ChatGPT always help me. Oh, I forgot it. Sorry. Actually, I always forgot to use dollar symbol. Dollar is a variable. So now I will get a is true. But what if I'll say if a is equal to false, I'll assign with a is equal to false, then this code will not run. Why will it will not run? Because here a is false and it is saying that if a is true, so this condition is false because a is not true, so it will not run the command inside the a. But if it will be true, then it will run. So now you understand here what they are saying. AND operator what do? Result AND is equal to a true, b false. Okay, so AND operator means if your both condition, any condition in both is true, then it will run the true part or false part. So A is true and B is false. Here your A is true, B is false. Sorry, I explained you wrong, but let me explain you again. So what it will do, your and operator. This is your and operator. Let me comment it. It means your both conditions should be correct. Your both conditions should be correct. Otherwise, you will get false. It is or operator. So it means any one condition should be correct in both of them. Okay, and it is not. It means not. Simply, I'll explain you. So here what is saying that A is true and B is true. If it would be like this, B is false, then what it be? You would get true, and I can show you echo $result, and I have to also do random, and I can simply do like this, and you will get true actually. Let's see bool true. But here what they are saying, A is also true, B is also true, but actually B is false. So your one condition is false, so you will get false, because this is and operator. You are saying, look at this and operator. So this is and operator. Okay, now let's come to or operator. So they are saying that A is true, B is also true. So you remember here, your any one condition should be correct. Okay. So our A is correct, A is actually true, so you will get true because one condition is satisfying. So echo random, actually I can copy this. Yes, I can do like or increment, and you will get true because your one condition is satisfying. So that's how it is. And not, let's understand what is not. See, result not A. So what it means? Result not A is your variable, and it is saying that not A. I mean A is false. So is A false? No, A is true. So you will get actually false. Echo. Let's write echo. And result not A. You will get false. And let me comment this. It is saying what? A is false, not A means A is false. Actually A is true, you will get false. And here what they are saying not $B means $B is false. Actually $B is false, so you're gonna get true. Result not B, and it's true. Why true? Because actually B is false, and here it asked not $B means B is false. So I hope now you understand what are the operators, and in upcoming videos we will see the projects. Okay, now I hope you understand this thing. So for today's video, that's it, and be Saubhagyavati. Dhanyavad.